Hi, this is an interview for Edularity. Today we are with Dr. Brian Ray. Under your experience, is it common to see a big average group homeschooling and then they move to unschooling or to some other alternatives?
Yeah, we see it going both directions in the United States. We have people who have had their children in institutional public school with 25, 30 other children, maybe for years, and they might hear of something that we call in the United States a charter school. Okay, a charter school it's still a government school. Everybody has to realize this. It's still government controlled, but it has more flexibility in its rules about how to teach children, curriculum, and those kinds of things. And so some of these charter schools have become more family friendly, more child friendly, more pedagogical, customization friendly. And then some parents choose that for their children. Maybe after a year or two, they say, this is pretty nice, but it's still not like what our friends are doing, which is home education. And then they just move right on into home education. We also have some people who do home-based education, and maybe they're doing it too much in isolation. Maybe they don't have enough support. They get tired. They have stress of cultural expectations, and they say, I'm burned out. And then maybe they move to charter school. So they get a little bit of hand-holding from the government. So we see both directions, or people who are saying, we don't really want a government charter school. We don't really want a private school. But let's have a cooperative. And so it might be rather than just a very flexible, anything goes cooperative like some of us did 30 years ago, it's a little more structured cooperative.
Right.
And maybe they say, well, let's meet twice a week for 4 hours, and moms and dads can give each other encouragement, and maybe there'll be 3 classes per day, and somebody will teach those, and then we go home.
Yes.
Yeah, we see a lot of that happening.
There are so many alternatives, and they all can fit in different types of family and expectations.
Are you listening? Damn.